Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we will continue with the remaining exercise of chapter 9. Question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal. So first we will represent the question in a diagram, and we have AB as the pedestal, AD is the statue. So let the height of pedestal AB be h meters, height of statue is 1.6 meter, and angle ACB is 45 degree and angle DCB is 60 degree. So first, in triangle ABC, tan 45 is AB upon BC. So 1 is equal to h upon BC. So BC is equal to h meters. In triangle DBC, tan 60 is DB upon BC. 1.6 plus h upon h is equal to root 3. After cross multiplying, we will get root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. So h is 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1 meters. Question number 9. The angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of a tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of building. So we can see in the figure, tower is PQ and AB is the building. So let the height of building be h meters. So in triangle ABQ, tan 30 is AB upon BQ. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon BQ. So BQ is h into root 3. In triangle PQR, tan 60 is PQ upon BQ. So after replacing the value of BQ from first equation, we will get h as 50 upon 3 or 16 2 by 3 meters. So height of building is 16 2 upon 3 meters. Next question, question number 10. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of road which is 80 meter wide. From the point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of top of pole are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So first we will draw the diagram. In diagram we can see AB and DC are the poles and E is the point on the road from where the elevation is calculated. So height is h meters and the distance BC is 80 meters. So BE is 80 minus x meters. In triangle CDE, tan 30 is CD upon CE or h upon x. So we will get an equation x is equal to root 3h. Then in triangle ABE, tan 60 is AB upon BE, which is h upon 80 minus x is equal to root 3. After cross multiplying, we will get h equal 80 root 3 minus x root 3. So after calculation, we will get x equal 80 root 3 minus h upon root 3. This is our second equation. By equating first and second equation, we will get root 3h is equal to 80 root 3 minus h upon root 3. After cross multiplying, we will get 3h is equal to 80 root 3 minus h, and after solving this, we will get h is equal to 20 root 3. So x is 20 root 3 into root 3, which is 60 meters. So position of point is at a distance of 60 meter from pole CD and 20 meter from pole AB. Next question, question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of top of tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point on the front foot of tower, the angle of elevation of top of tower is 30 degree. Find the height of tower and width of the canal. So question diagram is given in the question. So we will take height of tower AB as h meters and x meter is the width of canal BC. So in triangle ABD, tan 30 is AB upon BD, which is AB upon DC plus CB. We will break BD into DC and CB. So after cross multiplying, we will get 20 plus x is equal to h root 3. So x is equal to h root 3 minus 20. This is our first equation. Then we will take triangle ABC. In this, tan 60 is AB upon BC. Root 3 is equal to h upon x. So x is h upon root 3. This is our second equation. We will equate equation 1 and 2. And after solving it as a linear equation, we will get h as 10 root 3. So x is h upon root 3. X is 10 meters. So height of tower is 10 root 3 meters and width of canal is 10 meters. Question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower is 60 degree and angle of depression to its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. So first we will draw the diagram. In this, tower is AB and CD is the building. So height of tower is h plus 7 meters. Angle ACE is 60 degree and angle ECB is 45 degree. So angle CBD is also 45 degree because these both are alternate interior angles. In triangle CDB, tan 45 is CD upon DB. 7 upon DB is 1, so DB is 7 meters. In triangle ACE, tan 60 is AC upon CE. So h upon 7 is equal to root 3. So h is 7 root 3. So AB would be h plus 7. So 7 root 3 plus 7, we will take 7 as common and it would be 7 bracket root 3 plus 1 meters. So height of tower is 7 root 3 plus 1 meters. Question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high tall house, lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So we will take position of ships as D and C, and angle ADB is 30 degree and angle ACB is 45 degree. AB is 75 meters and distance between ship is x meters. So in triangle ABC, tan 45 is AB upon BC. So y is 75 meters. In the other triangle ABD, tan 30 is AB upon BD. So x plus 75 is 75 root 3. So x is 75 root 3 minus 1. So distance between the two ships is 75 root 3 minus 1 meters. Question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. The angle of elevation of balloon from the eye of girl at an instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So you can mark things in the diagram. Let the first position of balloon be A and after some time it will reach point D. Vertical height ED plus AB is 88.2 minus 1.2, it is 87 meters. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is AB upon BC. So root 3 is equal to 87 upon BC. So BC is 87 upon root 3. In triangle DEC, tan 60 is DE upon CE. 1 upon root 3 is equal to 87 upon CE. So CE is 87 root 3 meters. So distance traveled by balloon from A to D is BE. So BE is 87 root 3 minus 87 upon root 3. So after calculating it and rationalizing the denominator, we will get BE as 58 root 3 meters. Next question, question number 15. A straight highway lead to the foot of tower. A man standing at the top of tower observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree which is approaching the foot of tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of tower from this point. So first of all, we will take the height of tower DCB h meters and the speed of car be x meter per second. Then the distance covered by the car is in 6 seconds will be 6x meter. Also the time taken from B to C be t seconds. So BC is equal to xt meters. In triangle DCB, tan 60 is DC upon BC. Root 3 is equal to h upon tx. So we will get an equation h is equal to tx root 3. In triangle ACD, tan 30 is DC upon AC. It is 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon 6x plus tx. After cross multiplying, we will get x bracket 6 plus t is equal to root 3 into tx root 3 from equation 1. So we will get t as 3 seconds. So the time taken would be 3 seconds. So here we are done with this chapter. Chapter number 9. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned.